Mama wakwaba, wafreme ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news.
Yes sir.
Yeah, koda.
Yes sir. Mbacho udini
me how.
Yeah oh yate udini be free.
Me chama na beka fast see no fellas. Your friend me va sankama me Italy.
Oh nice one. Okay, yen kominwa. Che wadwe yen ko.
Yeah. Na no me class me wura mu sa man me wura mu tino na dem se me amenya ntem. Be ya.
Afrefo ne dos. We see we no kasa wo 2 minutes penti.
Yeah. Me da se na me da wase so se wa me kwa se e agno hanum na uboduma. Na the woman say me dey advance akran person dem wura na Japan. Because ye kan nyina NPP party kuro ya na ye nyina ye fa che se bit ma break the 8 na se bio party awowom party no na opese utu franka mom na se utimi gina ba bi kikan se mbisa na because senye NPP party pa na ye this yanga ye kan de Japan free party mo nsema okeka no NDC for to relate sa ade no but NPP for there ya hu two democrat ntino o kasa na ofa ne hodi ba ye NDC asembe na alotoje kwabuka ya ye yi free party no asembe na kwagu anyi do ho se why oga ya NDC for yi free party no but NPP for na ya imagine say send e mini appellate be kan ya no bibia ko ken ho ka ken honti ama ken hu say oni ho ma party ni ho but me pesa only some message we ma ken na supporters say MPP akọ opposition more than 32 years angu it is single person to me go MPP party and the MPP party so afa military room for many years so as survival this second again say obem yakọ opposition ye so opposition but definitely be akọ proposal baba we na person di jacken that was
all right hello hello Bacho udini be free
apo what to say
erade adumbo kona so e
but your friend ya me free Canada
okay bonita oni enko
yeah temo yeah so que see pa like the way I never for people no enye oh indicate honorable Kennedy Japan they say owenia party be no bokwa nanim edina for akwa contest mahama we dey miss me buta question
NPP anu eno amu no begina enye NPP mu anu ogina eno amu no ogina ko
to training abasai at the end of the day to training abasai we are now we near dia na obesan ba be kan kire Ghana for so o mi anam kan me sa me boa na
I think that the communication team of Era Ken say omutimi tena say no mo kasa because party na mu no wonti no e bia ne kasa e bi na kwa hwe ne kakra ye ko
Japan adia omo ye Kennedy Japan e test ye dey test ni so obetimi president Ogano so onima o de na no okotena Kumasi se Kazmin TV o se Kazmin FM ke bombo okotugu ho o pe president ye o wa o ton hu sei o be da ko di president what dey bia so awo kan ya record what wo Ghana no they will throw that bomb on you the last minute so I say central ya call ya ikolusu ye the last minute do the NDC for no call ya MPP lusu elections no omo dey get them no convince you omo matwa omo easy it's in a man put bomb into hot night. We have a camion kind of Mizameboa. That time now, 20 penny we had there, and this you own. Omo propaganda machines. Machine, I didn't throw money pagidi. And this is who you be no one we are. Bro, Mobimrem, why?
Mobimrem. But I say, of from Remway, Nti. Sa na yeko buga friend chere wo so wadwen na afa yenko na nko yese ya sheda ana ya tana se ye kama obi yen kama obi a hanom no asem ne ba ana yedi won komo ye ni obi ni entokwaku bi a ye ni di obi atem
bond ne ade no don me ba cho bond adwuma no me nu mi enu ni na ye no wo platform iso obi se kai rai don bond fo a na ebe ye dede time na abro ne start ye kra ne NDC for some conform say over from Sika. Sometimes now when you crap pass it. When you pass you 83% subscription. One more car say one more phone Sika and your bond, one more peneno. This year, Yantiamoka in June. In June, Yantia first batch for the car. It's Mr. Kennedy said, bond the new band and the Sika 2022 Yaluswaba. Now Yaluswaba will be pending. Will be pending. Wamo bia usampa opposition na no person Kennedy why ready say we be opposition na kona got no position I mean me say I send her crowd who jina for MP abelus. I bet. Or you bear my uncle for we next time.
Age, fellas, I said, man, how can you say?
My sister can get the boy a bear my or lose where we are. Where we on saying you know, or back off for MP or I send off for say we. I think Central or Belu support all.
Obia Troa, Kobe Obrimpon, not coming back comments to see about I mean Kai did say or say Kobe Obrimpon a jack or say this fellas guy have personal hatred for Ken for President 2024. Oh, maybe I shall win that. Was it? Was all hatred? Oh no, Ken. Now Busao says so. When Kennedy wins, what will be your message? Kennedy winning. All right.
Okay, first and foremost, Kennedy will not win. And if Kennedy wins, we are going to opposition. So there is no need for us to campaign. Because he has said he wants to lead this party to opposition. So we shall help him for his dream to come true. He wants to go to opposition. Why are people angry when we say we will help him to go to opposition? Don, my business question be where he know. Me say, as far as yes, and to about money, and I want to go to now in the party to go opposition. Say I need your part.
Felix.
Usuru.
Me carry. Me carry. We dey see we. But we say we asana ni we say ye me na so enche na ye bie phone lines no na afi omo afre na WhatsApp enti number na obefre no 0207250885. Ya na the Ghana code na ka hona bibia ye come on wait my friend house watch wadwen me shroma me ni atem ai na ya kan ya adwen na ye ko. Na question na me di busa last one they say enka we nka ye cool chop for NPP na ka ye bia ye kama adeti na monfa Kennedy edom eni ba umi adom ni na enka mu na nka bibia anye kama na nka ora Kennedy eni Dr. Baumi atanase esi nkunya ka se oh menua ye mu baako eni president baako enye vice na fe ye fanko pre kunya kese ye no. What do you think about that? Won't that help the NPP break the 8? Na de mu ye atokotoko idea. Don't you think say 2024 you have lost the election in advance?
Don, first and foremost, a person who believes that he has lost an election doesn't fit to be a vice president. So we don't even want to sit down with him. But let me give you the genesis of it. Don, so I said we are okay. Party in Penny 4 almost can be a bem. In Fitiasie, they tried to pair Alan with Doctor. And Alan said, oh no, a better na Doctor War Bank of Ghana no. Na ono kwa. Doctor in the bag. Until you remember you be or no in the bag and advice. This is what Alan said. And this is true. Mo be and young because they are making a throw. When it comes to Honorable Kennedy, initially he was ready to even be the campaign manager for Baumia. Until that skirmishes with the president came in and he decided to contest, which is fine. He has the right, the money, everything. He's a good standing member of the party. He can run for it anyhow he wants. Then we saw say your president north one usually no vice near before south. And the simple saying yes, Santima money bet me say vice here. Kennedy, you fit to be that. So initially there were talks in the pipeline say Uncle Mumi and no then and partner up.